Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about PowerColor All White Adorned RX 7800 XT Hellhound Sakura graphics card. So friend, based on the Adorned RX 7800 XT, the Hellhound Sakura and the Hellhound Sakura Limited Edition are new designs based on the original black version of the Hellhound, and the new model takes things to a new level by employing an entirely white design including a white PCB and even a white IO bracket. And friend, the Sakura edition is accented with subtle pink details, and PowerColor says that their color has a sleek and unified appearance but also introducing a touch of grace reminiscent of cherry blossoms, and it also comes with LED and BIOS switch which allow user to disable lighting effects or choose a quieter BIOS option if they prefer. And friend, the card offers a 2520 MHz push clock, a relatively modest 3.7% factory overclock over AMD reference specification. Underneath it packs a Navy 32 XT GPU with 3840 stream processor and 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, and the card is equipped with two PCIe 8-pin power connector, and it is designed to work with 263 watt total watt power. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.